Okay, I ran out on the last one. I want to finish this last problem up. All right, we left off with graphing the equation. So we're at this graph, the solution of the statements on the number line in a different color is where we're at. Okay, so we're on the number line here and we're doing it in a different color. We know it's an and. Remember, and is your conjunction or intersection. Okay, so here's our first and second graph, as you saw just earlier. We already decided that negative 2x was equal to or greater than negative 2. So we had made a solid circle for equal to negative 2, but then it's also greater than, so it goes this way. So this and this overlap and intersect. And then on this side, it is x is equal to or less than 14. So I see an error that I've done here already, as you can see. Hopefully you caught it before. This should be filled in, right? Because this is an equal to symbol here. So this should be equal to as well. Okay. So now we look here, and so on this side 14, it's equal. It overlaps here because there's a 14 on this one too. So both of these overlap at 14. So we're going to put 14 on our graph. And then everything in between those two are intersect in both those graphs too. So the answer to our graph would be that. Okay, and meaning intersection or conjunction, and this is how we would write it. This is how we would graph it. You can also write this like this. X now is, let's say this is a negative 2. So x is greater than or equal to negative 2. And then this is 14. And x is less than or equal to 14. So this would be how we would write the solution. This is how we would draw it, the solution. This is also acceptable. This is more acceptable to do it this way for your ands. Okay, so let's look back over here at our steps. We did each of those steps. First we solved each statement separately. Then we graphed both solutions above. I made the mistake and didn't leave myself enough room. And then we graphed the solution on the actual number line. And we used a different color. Remember to use your different color so it stands out from your number line. And then don't forget to write your symbol solution, which we did last year. So make sure you have all those steps in your homework as well as on your test. I hope you do well.